Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be showing you guys how I created this soft look. If you want to see how I created this look, then you keep on watching. First thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using the micellar water to cleanse my face. Then after that I'll go ahead to apply the Omaricold hydrate serum on my face, and after applying the serum I then apply the Omaricold moisturizer all over my face like so. After that I prime my face using the Rimmel Stay Matte primer. So these are the foundation I use: Huda Beauty and L'Oreal True Match. I think this is Cappuccino N8 and Gingerbread. Before I blend the foundation, I spray the whole of my face with this Omaricold setting spray, and I started blending the foundation using the Colorbox Cosmetics brush. So for contour, I use this concealer from Glam Beauty in the shade 048, I believe, yeah, 048. I'm taking that same brush that I used to apply my foundation to blend the contour. Then taking this smaller brush from Colorbox Cosmetics to blend my nose contour. For blush, I'm using these two shades from, I think this is from Focalio, I can't remember, but I'll check. So also using the brush that I used to apply my foundation and my contour to blend the blush. For highlight, I'm going to be using these concealers from Juvia's Place. The shades, I think, I can't remember. I am going to check the shade, then I will drop them in the description box. So here I'm using the lightest shade first, then the one close to my skin, so I'll be able to blend the concealer properly. Sometimes I like to use a brush, but in this video I'm using the beauty blender. I like to use the brush then finish with the beauty blender, but in this video I'm using just the beauty blender. And this beauty blender is from Alabama, I believe. This is very soft. So what I'm doing here, I'm blending the concealer that is close to my skin tone first before I go ahead to blend the light shade. For setting powder, I'm using this Mirac and Laura Mercier, the Christmas edition. So I like to mix my setting powders the way I like to mix my foundations. Lately I find it difficult to use a beauty blender to apply my setting powder. So now my fave now is the brush, and it comes out really seamless and nice. To set my contour, I'm using this 2-in-1 bronzer palette to set my contour. For blush, I'm going to take that shade from this Anastasia Beverly what is it called, eyeshadow palette, the orange color there, to serve as my blush. I also added a tiny bit of the darker shade close to the orange for it to be intense. So I'm going to be applying this powder from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade warm caramel, just underneath my eyes like so. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to do it off camera because it's going to take a whole lot of time if I want to include that in this video. Yeah. Now I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. So before I start applying my eyeshadow, I like to apply concealer as a base, just to cover the whole of the eyes. Then set it with a setting powder or normal powder. But in this video, I use a setting powder to set the whole of the eyes. Now I'm applying setting powder underneath the eye to catch any fallout. So the eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using is from Focalio, and this palette I've been using it and I really love it. So first of all, I'm going to apply that shade, the lighter shade, all over the crease, just like so. Then I'm going to apply that dark shade on top, the first one I just applied, starting from the outer V, and I'll work my way in. Then I'm going to apply that shade on my eyelid. Just press and blend, press and blend. So I'm taking that dark shade and I'll apply it in my inner corner. Just try to merge it with my nose contour. This method has really changed my nose contour game lately. So I'm going to take that color to smudge my under eyes. So I took that color, then I applied it on top of the first color that I used to smudge under my eyes. done with the eyeshadow, I buff out the certain powder that I was using as a shade. So after buffing the powder, I went ahead to use this liner, retractable liner. I don't know where it's from, I'll check. I use it to line my upper lash line. Then I apply some mascara on my natural lashes before fixing the falsies. I forgot to moisturize my lips before starting my makeup, so here I am moisturizing my lips. So I'm using this setting spray from Beauty by AD to set the whole of my face. So for highlighter, I'm using this one from Wet n Wild. I am basically applying that on my cheeks, just tiny bit. Beginning to not like highlighter on my cheeks lately. It's a struggle. It's a struggle. I applied a tiny bit of highlighter on my tear duct, and here I was trying to apply mascara on my bottom lashes, and this happened. I almost got blind, you guys. As you all know, I love blush so much, so I went ahead to apply that blush from Zaron again on my face. I normally do like whole round touch up when I'm done with my makeup, so I do apply the blush again, apply powder again, and yeah. So I decided to go bold on the lips. I used this Caligena liner to line my lips, and I applied this lip paint from Fenty Beauty all over the lips. When I was done, I just don't know how I was feeling. I wasn't feeling the lips at all. Tell me, what do you think? You like this the look? If you like it, please drop a comment in the comment section. So I went ahead to grab this lip palette from iMagic and did my lip, and I applied this gloss from 89 Cosmetics, and boom, I was done. Thank you guys for watching to this point. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your family and friends. See you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.